Today, we'll be exploring the health benefits of chia seeds. So, stay tuned and take notes. Properties of chia seeds. Chia seeds are packed with a wealth of beneficial properties in a tiny package. Some of the key properties include anti-inflammatory, cardioprotective, vitamin-rich, anticoagulant, anti-aging, antioxidant, and much more. These properties offer numerous health benefits. Now let's explore 4 of the most popular ones. Helps satisfy appetite. Chia seeds can help control food portions. When they absorb water, they expand and fill up more space in the stomach, which can reduce hunger. However, they shouldn't replace regular meals for a long time. It's always best to eat a variety of foods. They are a great complement in vegan and vegetarian diets. Chia seeds are an excellent addition to plant-based diets. They have 5 times more calcium than cow's milk, 7 times more omegas than salmon, and 2 times more protein than other seeds. It's important to note that chia seeds can benefit anyone, not just those on vegan or vegetarian diets. They're also a great supplement for athletes. Reduces constipation. When chia seeds are hydrated, they form a gel-like substance called mucilage. This type of fiber helps ease bowel movements and can relieve constipation. Just 1 tablespoon of chia seeds provides 90% of your daily fiber needs. Improves skin appearance. Chia seeds are rich in micro and macronutrients that can benefit the skin. They contain vitamin C, which heals and boosts collagen production, which decreases with age, vitamin A, which helps with skin hydration and reduces inflammation, vitamin E, which protects against free radicals, and much more. Chia seeds also provide trace elements, fatty acids, amino acids, carbohydrates, and flavonoids, all of which contribute to a healthy skin. But before we continue, let's put you to the test. Where does the chia plant originate from? Canada and the United States, Mexico and Guatemala, Italy and Croatia? None of the above is correct. Think about it carefully because at the end of the video you can check if you were right. How to take chia seeds. The recommended dose of chia seeds is 1 teaspoon per day. To benefit from the mucilage, soak the seeds in a glass of water for half an hour before consuming them. Do not eat dried chia seeds directly as they can expand in the throat and cause choking. You can also grind chia seeds into flour and add them to smoothies, breads, and other recipes. Chia seeds are versatile and they're easy to incorporate into recipes. Here are 2 simple ideas. Lemon water with chia seeds. Prepare it like a regular lemonade, but add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds per glass. Let it sit for a few minutes to allow the seeds to hydrate before drinking. Chia seed pudding. In a glass or bowl, combine half a cup of chia seeds with fruit juice or vegetable milk of your choice. Sweetener is optional. Cover and refrigerate overnight, and in the morning, enjoy a nutritious chia pudding for breakfast or as a snack. Contraindications. Chia seeds have specific considerations for certain individuals. For example, avoid chia if you have low blood pressure, as it can further lower blood pressure levels. Consult a doctor before consuming chia if you are on an anticoagulant medication. Chia seeds are not suitable for individuals with colon problems or diverticula. Avoid chia seeds if you have known hypersensitivity or allergic reactions to them. In cases of diarrhea due to intestinal infection, avoid chia seeds as they can exacerbate bowel movements. It's important to consider these contraindications to ensure safe consumption of chia seeds. And going back to the question we asked you before, have you thought it true? Well, the correct answer is B. Chia is native to Mexico and Guatemala, where it has been cultivated by various pre-Hispanic cultures for centuries. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. As always, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Until next time.